Yes, sir.
No, Ananya. 4 was Ananya, right?
Yeah. I asked.
Then 0. X squared plus 1 upon 9x squared is equal to 25 by 36. Find x cubed plus 1 upon 27x cubed. Okay, same logic. If we are given this and we need to find this, we need some missing information, Ananya. What would that be?
X plus 1 upon x.
1 upon x or 1 upon 3x? Look at this carefully now.
1 upon 3x.
X plus 1 upon 3x. So let's start with this. If I take x plus 1 upon 3x, then what do I do to this to get this information here?
X square plus 1 upon 9x square plus 2
Square
is
the whole
equal
thing.
to,
I can square the whole thing.
yeah,
What will I get then?
25 upon 36. Oh wait, x square plus 1 upon 9x square plus 2.
Plus 2. Where is AB gone?
Yeah.
Where is AB gone?
Maybe. Oh,
Why you forget AB? Here A and B is not the same, so they cannot cancel out, right?
okay.
Understood? You must have gone wrong. All of you all pay attention over here. If A and B, they are not the same. In this case, A is not equal to 1 upon A here. Only if this is there, do I get 2 here. If this is not there, I'll get x and 1 upon 3x. Okay? Continue. So what will I get?
So,
Plus x and x gets cancelled, so I'll get 2 by 3, right?
yes.
Okay, what about the left hand
Yes.
side? So I'll get x plus 1 upon 3x, the whole thing squared is x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared plus 2 by 3. What's the value of x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared?
To 25 upon 36.
Plus 2 by 3. What is this equivalent to?
Yes.
Quickly. I don't know.
49 upon 36.
49 upon 36. So then x plus 1 upon 3. The whole thing square is 49 by 3 by 6. So I take root of this. I take root of this. So I'll get x plus 1 upon 3x is 7 upon 6. Now we're given that x is greater than 0.
7.
I'll get plus minus here, but x is greater than 0. So should I take plus or minus? Only plus. Because you see, the condition is given that x is greater than 0. Okay? Clear so far?
Yes.
Now, if we get to x plus 1 upon 3x, will you be able to solve x squared, x cubed plus 1 upon 27x cubed?
Yes, sir.
Just cube this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I think you can do that on your own now. Should I go on to the next question? Please take care of this. When A and B are different, A and 1 upon A, we don't have that. The numbers are different, then we have to take 2AB. Sarah, 8th question.
Yes, sir.
If
X
x squared plus 1 upon x squared is equal to 7, is not equal to 0, find the value of 7x cubed plus 8x minus 7 by x cubed minus 8 by x. We did this question. Haven't we done this question earlier? Also, please look up your notes. Did we do this question earlier? I think we had done this earlier in class. Just look up. We get 64. I remember doing this question. Can you all look up?
Oh, yeah.
So what will I do? I take 7x cubed minus 7 by x cubed plus 8x minus 8 by x. Okay, I'll rearrange them. Fine. Now once I rearrange them, I will group. I'll take out 7. I'll get x cubed minus 1 by x cubed plus x minus 1 by x. So now what do I need to find out? I need to first find out x minus 1 upon x and then x cubed minus 1 upon x cubed. Given x squared plus 1 upon x squared is 7. Find out x minus 1 upon x. Sarah? Sarah, will you be able to find out?
Sir, can you repeat? I couldn't.
Will you be able to
Sir,
find?
your voice is breaking for me.
Will you be able to find out x minus 1 upon x given x squared plus 1 upon x squared is 7?
Yes, sir.
Just square it and do it. And then once I get that, I can find x cubed by minus 1 upon x cubed. Try.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts, anyone in this question? Try to spot these patterns. Like you see that we have an x cubed over here and we have an x cubed over here. So what is common in both of them? That's what you need to try and figure out. Okay. You want to copy this down?
Yes, sir. Just a second. Sir, I've done copy.
Okay, so now then you can solve this further easily, right? Anyone not able to solve it further? You just do x minus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared, you will get x squared plus 1 upon x squared, replace 7, so you'll get 9. So x minus 1 upon x squared plus minus root 3, right? Sorry, root 5. This will be minus here. Correct? Okay, let's go for ahead. 9th question. Sarah again. If x is equal to 1 by x minus 5, x is not equal to 5, you have to find x squared minus 1 upon x squared. Okay. Sarah, what do we do? So again, we need a missing information to find this. What will be the missing information?
We need to find x squared minus x squared. We need x plus. We need x squared plus 1.
But how will we get minus 1 upon x squared then?
So can we rationalize this thing and then solve that?
No, we don't need to rationalize. Think again. This is of the format of a squared minus b squared. Sarah, what do we need to find out a squared minus b squared?
A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b.
So if I get x plus 1 upon x and I get x minus 1 upon x, will I be able to solve this? There is no
Yes.
other identity because we know that x minus 1 upon x, if I square this, still I will get x squared plus 1 upon x squared minus 2. And if I take x plus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared, also I get x squared plus 1 upon x plus 2. In both these cases, I don't get minus, right? Do I get a minus anywhere? No, right? So I cannot use this identity.
No, sir.
So I cannot use this identity that I know. So the next identity which I know that can be solved is a squared minus b squared 1. So now let's take this x
Okay.
1 upon x minus 5. Simplify. Can I write this as x into x minus 5 is equal to 1? So I'll get x squared minus 5x is equal to 1. Or x squared minus 1
Yeah.
5x divided
Yes.
by x. What will I get? X minus 1 by x is equal to 5. Right?
Oh, yes.
So one of them I got. Now can you find out x plus 1 upon x the whole thing square? How do we find out x plus 1 upon x?
Yes, sir. Yes, you can by multiplying it.
What is the identity we will use?
To find x square minus 1 upon x square.
No, we want x minus 1 upon x. Now I need x plus 1 upon x. Which identity can I use for x plus 1 upon x?
For x plus 1 upon x, we use x minus 1 upon x, the whole square.
No, for that I'll get x squared 1 up plus 1 upon x squared. I want x plus 1 upon x. If I do x minus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared, I'll get x squared plus 1 upon x squared minus 2. Right? Oops, what happened to them?
Yeah.
Just a second, the screen stopped somehow. Oops. You have to learn the identities. Did you write the identities down 10 times, Sarah?
Yes, I did. Just a second.
You wrote it down?
Yes,
Which identity will we use?
So,
I get x squared, but I want x plus 1 upon x. Which identity combines x minus 1 upon x and x plus 1 upon x? Samita?
can it be
Yeah?
like a plus? No.
Samita,
Yes, sir.
which identity can I use to find out a plus 1 upon a? Given
Sir, x square minus 1 upon x square is equal to x minus 1 upon x, the whole thing square plus 2.
repeat.
X square minus 1 upon x square is equal to x minus 1 upon x, the whole minus 1 upon x.
This will be equal to x squared.
So,
Yep.
yes.
What will this be equal to? Oh, nothing like that. Why do you all keep forgetting this one? Let me write this down in another color. X plus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared, minus of x minus 1 upon x, the whole thing square is equal to? What does this equal to? Why do you keep forgetting this? This is the relationship between x plus 1 upon x and x plus 1 upon x, right? Yes or no? Why do you forget this? All of you, why do you forget this? So we already know the value of x minus 1 upon x, which is 5 squared minus x minus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared is equal to 4. So 25 minus x minus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared is equal to 4, or just give me a second, there's some issue coming with the Blackboard. Okay. So what will we get? This is equivalent to 4, right? Is this clear, everyone, or not? Yes or no? Oh, sorry, this is minus here. We need plus. Nobody's pointing out if I write something wrong. So this is x plus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared, minus of 5 squared is equal to 4, right? Again, it's crashing. Give me a minute. I don't know what the issue is. Okay, so what will we getting as x minus 1, x plus 1 upon x, the whole thing squared? This will be 25 plus 4, which will be 29. Therefore, x plus 1 upon x will be plus minus root of 29. Yeah? Sarah, is this clear? None of you are audible. Sarah, is this question clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we've got x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. So to get x squared plus 1 upon x squared, what do we do?
Get x square plus 1 upon x.
X squared minus 1 upon
Plus
x.
1 upon x square.
This will be x plus 1 upon x.
Sir, your voice is cracking for me.
Is it cracking for everybody?
No.
Yes, sir.
Might be no.
No, I think there's some internet issue on a lot of ends of Zoom issues. Okay. Is this clear? What is x plus 1 upon x? We got plus 5. This is plus minus root 29. And this is 5, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Plus minus 5 root 29. Any doubts on this question, anyone? Quickly copy this down if you want. Aryan, any question that you were not able to do in exercise 4D? Aryan, you're on mute. I could not hear anything.
No, sir. Actually, I didn't do it because I was out yesterday and day before yesterday, so I couldn't do the exercise.
So when are you planning to finish it?
So I will do it today.
Okay. 4D, 4E are very important exercises. Don't leave them out. Everyone clear with this question? Any doubts? Okay, let's move ahead. Question number 9 is done. Question 10. Sarah, question 10 is very simple. Why are you not able to do it? X is equal to?
So with this sum, I'll solve it. I'll solve this one now.
Right, same thing that we did earlier. Right?
Yes, sir. I figured it out.
Okay. And question 15, Ananya.
Yeah. So the numbers are
The
x
difference
and y.
between two positive numbers is 4. If we take the number, let's say A is greater than B, we're given that A minus B is equal to 4, right?
Yes.
And the difference between the cubes is 316. That's a cube minus of b cubed is equal to 316. What do you need to find? The product. That means you need to find AB. And secondly, the sum of the squares.
Y.
Plus AB. Tell me, how do we find AB given A minus B?
So I took the variables. I took the variables and as x and y, where x is greater than y.
That's okay.
X cube minus y cube will
Yeah.
be equal x minus y whole cube minus 3xy multiplied by x minus y.
Correct. So we have that identity, right?
Yes. So 360.
Okay, so let's start with this. Like,
Okay.
tell me. Okay, let's take this. Okay, tell me. I'll take it with x and y now.
I took the x squared minus y, sorry, x cube minus y cube identity. So, which is equal to x minus y whole cube minus 3xy multiplied by x minus y.
Will it be minus or will it be plus?
Plus,
Sure.
yes.
Then why are you saying minus?
I think
Same
I
thing.
saw
Yeah,
it
again and
wrong.
again, Ananya, all the questions that you get incorrect, you're making plus minus mistakes. Why don't you, instead, if you don't remember this properly, why don't you do it this way? We are given x minus y is equal to 4, right? Why don't we just cube this? So now you can expand, you'll get x cube minus y cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to 64. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now what do we get further? A cube minus b cube is also given to us as 316 minus 64 is equal to
316 minus
AB into
9,
yeah,
4. Yes.
which is,
Yes.
so we'll get 250 is equal to 12
We
AB,
get 52 upon minus upon 12.
which is equivalent to 21. That's the first
Yes.
answer.
So AB is equal to 21.
That's the first one. AB is equivalent to 21. Now can
Okay.
you find out, can you find out a squared plus b squared given a minus b and ab?
Yes. So A plus B whole square minus
We don't have a plus b,
A
Ananya.
minus
Ananya, we don't have a plus b.
one.
What do we have?
Yes. So I'm
What is given?
finding A plus B first.
Why do you need a plus b?
Because it will be.
Why don't I? Why? What is a minus b the whole thing square?
Minus B the whole thing square is a square minus 2ab plus b square.
So don't I get a squared plus b squared, which is same as writing a squared plus b squared minus of 2ab, right? Don't I get a squared plus b squared itself from here?
Yes.
Why do you want to find a plus b first?
Yes. So
So 4
4
squared
square is 16.
is equal to a squared plus b squared.
16 minus
Yeah, minus 2 into
42.
21, right? That's 42. So 16 plus 42 is equal to a squared plus b squared, which will be equivalent to 8. Why are you getting confused so much in this? We know that whenever we want a squared plus b squared, we can use either a minus b the whole thing squared or a plus b the whole thing squared, right?
Yes.
Any other questions? Everyone clear on this? Ananya, Aryan, Rajvi, Samita, Sara, Suramya, all clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine, let's move ahead. We have a couple of more identities which we need to do. These are some special products, very rarely used, but they make test. We already know this identity for A cube plus B cube. Aryan, tell me quickly.
Yes, sir. It is equals to a plus b the whole thing cube minus 3ab brackets a plus b.
And another one?
So,
There was another one.
yes, sir.
Can
No?
A
Samita?
plus B multiplied by A square plus 2B plus B square.
Squared plus?
A square plus 2A plus AB plus B square.
Correct. Aryan, what happened? Homework not done?
Sir, it was a square minus ab, right?
No, it was a squared plus AB. That A cube minus A B cube. So we have another one. We have A cube minus of B cube. This will be A minus B into,
Okay, sir.
oh, sorry, in this it will be A minus B here. A plus B. One sec. One sec. There was a mistake here. A cube plus B cubed is A plus B, because we get A plus B the whole thing cubed, into A squared minus AB plus B squared. Okay. And A cube minus B cubed is A minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared. Please copy this down. So A cube plus B cubed is A plus B into A squared minus AB plus B squared. And A cube minus B cubed is A minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared. Okay. Okay. What was X plus A into X plus B, Rajvi?
Sir, x square. No, 1 second.
Yeah, X squared.
X square plus
Sarah? X plus A into X plus B. This was identity from 17 to 21.
sir, I don't have those written.
Look at the video notes.
I looked on the only first three. I have to look others also.
Yeah,
I
so
didn't
do
go
those.
through them.
Sarah, quickly tell me. You're on mute.
It will be x square plus ab plus ax plus bx. Then further it will be
I want the identity. I don't want the expansion.
it will be x square.
Who can answer? Ananya, Samita, Aryan.
Sir, x square plus a plus b into x
Yeah, a plus b into x.
Plus, sir, I don't know.
AB.
AB.
Why you
Plus
forget all
AB.
of this? Remember we had done 4 of them with different signs, and how I told you also how to take out the signs. Then why you're forgetting this? Okay, so we have, from this itself, we have another identity which we can do. We can have x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Okay, a big one. And it's a very confusing one also. So what I will do is basically I will do this one. So this will be equivalent to x squared plus a plus bx plus ab into x plus c, right? Yes or no? Now what I'll do is I'll multiply this with the all three, and again this with all three, and I'll expand. So what ultimately I'll get is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. This is equivalent to x cubed plus a plus b plus c x squared, okay, plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc, a big identity. Again, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is x cubed plus a plus b plus c x squared plus ab plus ac plus bc x plus abc. Okay, so copy this one down also. You'll have to mark this up. There's no other way in which we can do anything else. These two you already know from earlier, even this one. So this is the 22nd new identity, I think. No, 2016 we did there, then we did 17, then 22, 23rd, I guess, or something like that. Any doubts in this identity, anyone? Any doubts? Okay, please learn these. There is no other option. Even the earlier ones you are not remembering. You forgot this one, these three, all three of them, most of you forgot. You need to mug them up. There is no other option in this chapter except to mug up the identities. And the last identity in this chapter is a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is equivalent to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, so that's a plus b plus c in brackets into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca in brackets is equivalent to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. In a lot of places, you know, in some sums, you'll have to put these identities. We will be doing, tomorrow we'll be doing a few questions related to these. But before that, again, I want you all to learn these identities. It will take time. You need to repeat it. That's why I asked you to write them down 10 times each, but you did not do that. So two new identities which we are learning today. First is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is nothing but x cubed plus brackets a plus b plus c, the x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. And the next one, a plus b plus c into brackets a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Yes, Ishan?
Sir, actually, I had a class. So, what did you do in this?
Your voice is breaking up, Ishan.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
What did you teach in this class?
Before this, we did a few questions on 4D, which were the doubts were there, and then we started with this.
These are the new identities.
Your voice is not clear, Ishan, today. Can you just type out in chat? Somehow your voice is not clear today. You can look at the video note, will be uploaded. The video class will be uploaded on the portal today, so you can just go through it quickly.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts do you have in 4D, Vishan?
No, sir.
Okay. So these two identities, please add them to your list. I think your list is 24 or 25 of them now. Right? All of them have to be marked up. There is no other option. Do not take this chapter lightly. This chapter depends on you knowing the identities and then applying them. But if the identities themselves are not known, you will not be able to apply. Ananya, learn plus minus properly.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you all copied this? All done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then that's it for today for maths. You can connect for science. Tomorrow we'll take a few practice questions. And then we will take a few worksheets on this chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.